It's Chris Kellett of museGrid.com, and in this tutorial we're going to take a look at replacing this image on a site. This could be a site that you've built yourself. This is just an example site that we'll be using to show the persistent menu tutorial and also the smooth scrolling tutorial. And we're going to change this image out and add in a museGrid widget. So you can get these widgets from museGrid and you can add them to your own site. So I've gone ahead and removed the image, and then I've opened up the museGrid project slider in Muse as well. And we'll just open that page up. We'll grab the widget, we'll copy it, go into the home page. Now first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab all of this content, just deselect this. So I've got all my content items here, and I'm just going to move them all down the page. So you can see here I'm moving everything down. And the reason I'm going to do that is because I want to make sure that I've got enough space for my widget, and I don't want to overlap any other content that I've got there. So I've opened that up. Now I'm going to go edit and paste in place. And that's centralized it pretty much, but let's just move it back into place and let's just check that it's central. We'll go to align, make sure that we've got align to content area, and hit center. Now this project's okay, but oops, I haven't selected it all there. Let's move it back up. This is okay, but it's slightly too wide for my project, so I want to modify the widget itself. So what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to select the slider here, and I'm going to drag the image down to match up with my margin lines here. But now this is all out of sync, so I'm going to select the arrow and I'm going to line that up with that margin. I'm going to select this arrow and line it up with that margin, and then I'm going to select the thumbnail images and move those across accordingly. The background here now, which is the background to the captions here, that's slightly overlapping as well, and that will look a bit odd when you render it out. So if we just drag that down, now watch what happens. Can you see it's a light blue line? When I get it on bang on target, it goes to dark blue. So I know that that's bang on target there, in line with the arrow, and we can do it here. There we go. Now I'm going to Control A and select all the content, and then by pressing Shift I can just drag over the items that I don't want selected. Let's just do that again. Control A to select everything, and then just Shift and just deselect everything that I don't want, and we can just move everything into place to where we want it, just using the arrow keys. There we go. Just make sure that that's all. And let's make sure that that is absolutely spot on. And then if we hit preview, there we go, we've got our project slider nicely in place, and everything's working fine, everything's in place, and that's all we had to do, just copy and paste it into place, some small adjustments to get it to fit our design, and that's how you add museGrid widgets to your designs. You just literally copy and paste them off the page and put them into place. Thanks for watching.